Santee in a long time. Not Santee. Dadgummit, Lake Murray.
Not a big one. Another tiny.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got some good marks too. Get him in here, buddy. Oh yeah. That's a keeper there, baby. Go back a little bit.
Which way?
You're good right there. About 17 and a half. Pretty little
Dang,
son of a
it
bitch.
ain't no keeper.
No.
That's a good picture of it.
Ain't getting bigger anyways. Yes sir. Good little pretty Lake Murray striper.
Yeah.
Let's get another one.
Fish on. Huh?
Go back. Go back. They're trying to get bigger. Actually, that's a little smaller than the last one.
Nice. And that net's still tangled. Oh. He nailed that sucker, didn't he?
Pretty boy. 18 on the button.
Say bye.
I need about 3 more on you. Oh, I got another one.
Huh?
I got another bite. That ain't shallow.
Where's the net? Where's the net?
Oh.
You got nothing? Oh, God. I got.
Oh, shit. 3 on, baby. Triple.
Triple, baby.
Oh, shit.
That's fish, too.
Oh, I got 3
Hey,
on right here.
I'm getting that back this way.
Oh, God.
Where's the other one? Where's that line going? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Get it first. Get the net. Get the net. Oh. You're right, it ain't keeping. It ain't keeping. Mine's way out here. Get that one. Come over here.
Gotcha.
And I don't know where it's at in that line right there.
Oh, shit.
You need the net? It ain't keeper in. Oh my God. I believe I'm gonna keep it. Yep. And it wasn't on film.
Yeah, it is. I got it.
All right.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hey, I think they go to that middle. Yeah. That's why you're doing it. Murray right there now. That's too close to call, so we're going to throw it
About a
back.
quarter under, so.
Look at this. Yeah. Boy!
That's fun. That's fun.
Oh, buddy. Oh, is the head shaking or what?
Yeah, he's head shaking. He's
Turning the
fish.
boat, I think he hung.
No, it's a fish. I trust it's a fish. Yeah, it's a fish. He's pulling drag. You got the camera on?
Yeah.
Get your line, I think. Got you over there. Oh yeah, look at that weight coming off the boy.
Head, yeah. Where's the net?
I love it.
I ain't hooked.
Oh, damn, that's beautiful.
Measure that sucker. Yeah,
Oh,
it
that's
is.
beautiful.
Measure it, make sure you can take that sucker home and eat it.
Oh yeah, he's good.
I believe you well over.
I don't know.
Another good one on. I'm gonna keep it going straight.
Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Double, baby. Watch your little. Fish
Oh.
on, fish on.
Triple, baby. Yeah. Alright, let that back in there.
Oh. Yeah, baby. That sounds a little bit better.
Oh yeah.
Deal with you in a second. Oh yeah, baby.
Another triple, baby. Got two in the boat. And a good one on.
Yeah, that's a good one. However, when we net it, wash it, remember it's got
Yeah.
the hook.
Got two. Where's the net at? Afternoon bite, Lake Murray. Get in here, baby.
Maybe keeper or something.
Well, I don't know, it'd be close. No, I don't think so.
Keep it up, keep it up.
No, I had two on.
Yeah, you had
Yeah. Yeah. I run a lake, does it, baby? Heck yeah. Yeah.
Ah,
I know that name.
I know this now.
It's different.
Second triple.
Oh!
Boy, I seen it. I turned around when I turned around. I seen it hit and let go.
What is it? A bow?
Ah, it's a rainbow.
Oh, a rainbow.
All the way across, dude. Whole damn thing. Come on, give us a rainbow fish. Ain't that cool, man? Running lake fishing. Lake Murray. It's a fun day. Caught 15. Only able to keep one. We had one that was like a quarter under. Almost. Either way, we had two triples back to back. Got an awesome school. Wish it had been a little bit bigger. Man, I don't care what size they are. You get three go off at the same time. Bam, bam, bam. You got a rod in each hand, doubled over. You look over and your buddy's doing the same thing. You don't get no better than that. Don't get no better than that. Loading up. Gonna get out of here. What's that out here? Eat your heart out, JR. New lights I put on the boat. We got white. We got green as well.